Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is one of those weeknight cooks where I'm running a little bit late as usual during the week, and kind of got to rush these videos a little bit, so bear with me on this. But we got some pork loin chops. They're a little bit thicker cut than what I normally get, which is good because it gives me an opportunity to add at least a little bit of smoke to them. So we're gonna, because it's the faster cook, I need to get this done. I'm gonna be cooking right outside here on the gas grill, the older Monument grill that I got, and we're gonna introduce a little bit of smoke to it. We'll see if we can get a little smoke flavor along with a little seasoning. So let's get going. Let me show you what we're doing. All right, we're gonna keep it simple as always. I try to always keep it simple, guys. This is some Brazilian steakhouse rub from my friends at Grillaholics. I have fallen in love with this. I use it on ribs. I've used it recently on ribs, and we're gonna get this on here, and that's all we're using. These guys are maybe an inch thick. They'll cook down, of course, but I'm gonna try to keep the temperatures low a little bit while I'm putting the smoke on it, and then I'll probably just grill them off right at the end. Things flip. We'll come back and get the sides here shortly. And guys, once we're gonna fire the grill up, get her going, get her heated up, get her smoke going, and we'll get these on here. Get this thing heated up. Okay, clearly my neighbors really don't care if I'm trying to make a video or not, but that's okay. We're gonna get through this. I don't have enough time to go as low and slow as I like, so we're gonna lower the temperature a little. Turn my outside burners all the way down to low, and I'm turning the middle one completely off. Now we're going to try to interject a little smoke in here, and I'm going to get my smoke tube on here. This is filled with cherry wood chips, and we're going to get the smoke on. We're going to light it. It does take a minute. There we go. And it does take a minute. I edit these to make it look like it don't take no time at all. But it does take a minute to get this wood going. We'll let her get going here, and we'll let some smoke get rolling. We'll get some meat on here, guys. Alright folks, we're going up here on the top. We'll try to keep these off the direct heat as much as possible, so we can get some smoke on these guys. They will still cook, just hopefully at a little slower pace so we can get a little smoke going. We will finish these off directly over the fire. Alright, check back in a bit. Alright guys, let's come on in here. It's been about 10 minutes, not very long. I'm gonna give these guys a flip, just for a little even cooking. Probably go another 5-10 minutes just with a little smoke. I'm just trying to get a little hint of smoke on these, and then we're gonna start grilling them off. Check back in a few. Alright guys, it's been about 20 minutes over the smoke, and I'm going to crank these outside burners off, or up a little bit, and just let it come up the temp a little bit, and we're going to grill them off here real soon. Alright guys, we got some heat rolling. Just gonna get these off. I'm gonna turn them. Go direct heat right here. I got the 2 outside burners on. Turn it. We'll come back in just a few minutes and turn them. Turn it. And see where we are. My target temp is 140. There we go. Not worried about any more smoke on this, so we'll check back here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, let's give these a flip. Come over here. I bet we're not too far from being done. Just for fun, I'm going to put some temperatures on these. Yeah, we're a little further than I want to be. Okay guys, oh, that can use a minute. These 2 over here can use a minute. These 2 up here, I'm going to pull up top. I must have it up a little higher. I'm just going to pull these up over here and wait for these 2. I bet they're done here in just a couple minutes though. Alright guys, these are definitely done. Let's get these off of here. And we'll go inside and get the family fed and we'll give these things a taste. Alright guys, you can see I'm using my fine china tonight. I'm just going to come in here and get some slices off of this and see what we got. And yes, I know I need to sharpen my knives, but this is what we got. This is a piece that I get a little higher than I intended, but I still got some good juices in there. Sure do. I say high. 165 is about done on these, and I went to 150, and I should have stopped at about 140 for my personal taste. But let's get a bite of this and see what we got. I guess there we are. That's pretty tender, despite it got a little higher than what I wanted. Wow, that steakhouse. That Brazilian steakhouse seasoning did its job. Love it. Got a little hint of that cherry wood, which is what I was going for. No, you're not gonna get a smoke ring on this type of a cook, but it is what it is. But got a little cherry flavor in there, which is awesome. Guys, thank you. Wash this down. Cheers to you guys. Thank you as always, guys. This is one of those midweek cooks. I didn't get to do any cooking over the weekend, at least outdoors. And so kind of fast. I hope it didn't seem too rushed. But as always, thank you. I always enjoy doing these videos for you. And do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. So guys, again, thank you, and I will see you on the next cook. God bless you folks. Bye bye.